cannot allow petty, narrow, and divisive issues to dictate the human and societal relationship. We have to rise above all the divisive issues to remain focused on human development. A non-inclusive approach is an invitation to disaster. We are losing an intellectual, we are losing an excellent judge, and all that we can say is that so far as your Lordship is concerned, your Lordship shall start a new era in your career, and I have no doubt that it will be as fruitful and as productive as the one which your Lordship has just completed on the bench of the Supreme Court of India. Thank you.
Lord, on the bar, Lord, I would like to make a very special mention because your Lordships have been extremely nice to the bar. So in that sense, it will be a great loss to all of us. We have actually been benefited by your Lordship's tenure in so many ways. Not only have your Lordships taken care of us as part of the same family, treated us like your own family members, your Lordship have also ensured that the prestige of this institution is also maintained, and a clear signal has been given that this court means business, this court will uphold the Constitution, this court will ensure that the constitutional rights of the people are never compromised. Lord, I join the learned Attorney General. He would be about, I think, 27, your Lordship senior, and still working. So it's really sad that we lose our judges at this age, Lord, because when your Lordships are really at your prime, and I'm sure easily at least another 5-7 years of good productive work which your Lordships at this prime, which your Lordships have the experience that your Lordships have gained, the country will be missing. But I guess that is destiny, your Lordships. We will all have to reconcile to that. And we all, Lord, from the bar, we wish your Lordships a very healthy, bright future. And Lord, I also feel that it is just the start of a new innings. And in this new innings, your Lordship will have more satisfaction because as of now, there are a lot of limitations on your Lordships in this holding this office. And once those limitations go away, probably, Lord, I feel that your Lordship will have a more satisfying next inning. We all, Lord, pray for your Lordship's good health and Lord, good future.
Thank you, Lord. We have personally seen, my Lord, we have personally seen, my Lord, that meeting and accepting each and every demand of the bar. We have seen, my Lord, that now the waiting area, this utility launch, even, my Lord, this parking area, then this auditorium, each and every demand of the bar was accepted, my Lord, by my Lords. And we are really grateful that whatever we expect from any Honorable Chief Justice of India, that was fulfilled. Any corner of this premises we go, we will find somewhere where my Lord's impact is there. We are really grateful and we wish all the best. You are not going to retire. Knowing you well, we feel that you are going to serve
my lord, showing the opening of another international center in Hyderabad is, my lord, another way forward. And I believe, my Lord Justice Lalit and the successor Chief Justice will, my lord, strengthen the system, and we will have international centers all over India, my lord, in almost all high courts. We are grateful, my lord, for your lordship's, my lord, strengthening and, my lord, the faith of the people of this country in, my lord, the judicial system. We are, my lord, in fact grateful, my lord. Your lordships have, my lord, enhanced the, my lord, rapport of the judiciary amongst, my lord, the word map. We are grateful to you, lordship.
Thank you.
Lordship, I'd like to say something on behalf of the lady members of the bar and entire bar. As a former secretary of the Supreme Court Bar Association, I thank you from the entire bar association, all the members. They have been talking in the corridors that how sad they are that you're leaving us today, and you have brought the three important brains, the lady brains in the Supreme Court, and they are wonderful. And I hope Justice Lalit also continues this, and we welcome you, sir, because you are one of us, and we are very happy that you are taking over. So we thank you, sir, for everything.
My Lord the Chief Justice, my lords, I have known you for over 35 years. Altitudes in life have not brought about any attitudinal changes in you. My lord, you will go a long way. In that shelters, the overnight traveler is not the journey's end. Your journey will continue. God bless you.
My lord, on behalf of Advocate on Card Association, my lord, I share the same feeling, my lord, and I wish, my lord, happy, healthy, and peaceful retirement life, my lord.
I just wish to thank you, sir. As a secretary of the bar, you were always available for us. For one call, you would call the whole ECRS for any problems. You gave us a lot, a chamber issue, our auditorium, everything. And for the judicial appointments, also you have done around 250. And for the first time, 9 judges were appointed in your tenure. You would be remembered for it, sir. Wish you a very happy life, sir.
My lord, only one thing. As a former officer of the Bar Association, my lord, we are extremely grateful to your lordship because of, irrespective of senior and junior or advocate or non-advocate, the lordship treated us one as same, and therefore we are extremely grateful to your lordship.
Thank you.
Lords, individuals will come and individuals will go, but the institution's greatness will have to remain. You are a real role model for lakhs and crores of people of this country. Thank you, Lord.
Want to say something?
Myself, Balraj Malik, on behalf of Supreme Court Lawyer Forum, Your Honor, we are very happy and thrilled. And I am speaking on behalf of the Supreme Court Lawyer Forum, especially for thanking our Chief Justice, who is retiring today. We are so thrilled that Indian population of this country read the most and most news regarding your statements in the newspaper. Because people of the country see always toward the judiciary most nowadays. Even from all organs of the government, the most important organ is our judiciary. And we appreciate unanimously, Your Honor, that you got 100 out of 100 as per our points. And sir, 1 more minute. I appreciate the sentiments of Mr. Dave, senior advocate, fully endorse the sentiment of Dave, sir. And only this time, Supreme Court Lawyer Forum speaking something for a Chief Justice. And that's Chief Justice, you are, Your Honor. We welcome you. And we are welcoming the new coming Chief Justice Lalit sir also. And we would like even that what Chief Justice of this country is speaking, the most people of this country always read. Even not reading what Prime Minister or other people are saying, but what Chief Justice and Judiciary of this country is saying, that is most important for this country. Thank you very much.
I share the sentiments which have been expressed by every one of you. But another addition to be added to from our side, as Mr. Sibal mentioned, the other family. And I must tell you that for last almost about a year or so, three of us in the collegium led by the Honorable Chief Justice, we have relentlessly went through every recommendation which came, considered it, and from our side, take that job as expeditiously as possible. And as the learned attorney general mentioned, more than 250 vacancies were filled up during this period, which is 1 year. If you consider the total strength of the judges in the High Court, it is almost 1/3 of that. So 1/3 of the present strength was actually filled up in last 1 year. And the credit goes to it was the mission board which was actually what the Chief Justice had decided for us. And that's what is the greatest contribution that one can always remember. Tomorrow a day will come when perhaps a large number of judges in this court would be judges who were appointed during that period of hunger. And that's the contribution. That's only one facet of the contribution. There are a number of them. And what has been mentioned by Mr. Ravi, and I can understand why he got so emotional about it. So that's the contribution, that's the level of contribution, and that's the level at which Justice Muthalapati Venkatramaiah is. Thank you.
Brother Justice Lalit, Sister Justice Himakuri, P. K. Venugopal, Attorney General, Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General, Sinka Singh, President, Office Bearers, and other members of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Manoj Kumar Mishra, President and Office Bearers of this Quora, Senior Advocates, members of the Bar, ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely grateful to all of you for being very generous and kind to me in your words. Today, I bow down to all those who helped me to evolve into what I am today. I am fortunate enough to be part of this great institution for 22 long years and am demitting office with utmost content. Since the bar is hosting a farewell in this afternoon, I would like to touch upon only a few issues concerning the bar and bench now. Indian judiciary has grown with time and waves of democracy. It cannot be defined or judged by one single order of judgment. At all times, the majesty of this great institution shall be protected and defended by both the bench and the bar. Unless the credibility of this institution is protected, being the officers of this court, you cannot command respect from the people in the society. The elect and participatory bar can alone strengthen the judiciary. Because of your efforts and cooperation, the country's progressive jurisprudence evolved. We have to admit the fact that the pendency is a huge challenge before us. I must admit that issues of listing and posting of matters is one of the areas on which I could not pay requisite attention. I am sorry for that. We are busy in firefighting on all the days. On day-to-day basis, we work. All sides are equally contributors for this problem. The only way out for this is to reform the functioning of the system. We need to deploy modern technology tools and artificial intelligence to find a lasting solution. Even though we tried developing some modules, because of the compatibility and security issues, we could not make such much progress. Due to COVID emergency, the priority was running of the courts. Unlike commercial establishments, we cannot secure the technological tools from the market directly. Needs of judiciary are different from those of the rest. Sourcing new technologies through government agencies also a huge task in itself. Then there is inherent resistance to all things new. Unless the bar is willing to extend the wholehearted cooperation, it will be difficult to bring in necessary changes. We have to evolve and march forward in tune with changing times. The juniors who entered into the profession look up to the seniors and their growth as their role models. I request all the seniors to guide them to be on the right path. Criticism easy. Let us say clear and avoidable bickerings. Let all of us march forward with discussion and dialogue in the process of giving speedy and affordable justice to the common man. I am not the last or the first one to contribute for development of the institutions. Several great people have contributed immensely to advance the cause of justice. Unfortunately, during the past 16 months, my tenure as CJI full-fledged hearing was possible only about 50 days. People may come and go, but the institution remain forever. Of course, each one of us have to make our own contribution. I have done my bit to the best of my ability. The bar may have had many long pending issues. I have tried to address them to the extent possible, be it additional space of office or chambers or any other reasonable demands. I have directed the registry to attend to the same on priority, and I believe the results are satisfactory. I thank all my colleagues and all the members of the bar for their active support and cooperation. I will certainly miss you all. Thank you.
This meeting is no longer being recorded.